I took this thing right here, my DJI Osmo, uh, the new Osmo. I took that. That was my primary camera, and these right here, these Ray-Ban Metas. I was
Oh, you
live
got
streaming with these.
yeah.
Yeah, that was it, and my phone as well. I took none of these cameras that I have in this room with me. Saved my back tremendously. So this was my 12th year at CES. So I would
12
say
oh my
I,
god,
I'm old
whoa.
school, man. I'm OG, right?
You're a
I
legend is what
I
I'm hearing
remember.
here.
I remember. So back in the day, I would take all the tripods, all the rigs, all the stuff, but it is brutal, right? So this time, finally, again, after 12 years of hard work and learning, very minimal, very strategic, knowing what I'm going to focus on and go talk to. So again, yeah, took the microphones. So I took my Shure microphones. I took that DJI Osmo and these glasses, and this is how I walked up and down all of downtown Las Vegas capturing content, and it really. I think it resonated on a different level because folks got to see a little bit of behind the scenes as opposed to again those staged shots. So I did more action
Exactly,
shots and I did
yes.
more walking up and down the conference floors, that kind of thing. So that resonated with a lot of the community as well. So I was real happy with that. But again, very light in terms of all the gear because that didn't matter. What mattered was putting out the information as quickly as I possibly could to the folks that wanted to consume it. So
That's exactly what I wanted to add is that sometimes, yes, we want to put out something nice and polished, but people that are following along you or Stephanie's CES journey, they just want to see the cool stuff that y'all are seeing. They don't need it to be edited. They just want to see like what's going on. They want to be a part of it. They want to follow along because everyone CES is the coolest event. Like it, it's about getting to serve your audience in real time. You,
mm,
everyone can read the articles 3 days later. Everyone can read up on CES recaps 3 days later. It's about getting to experience what you're experiencing. And I also really like the element of you that you added that of the more like walking around videos. Those videos work really well on social because they feel real. They feel
yeah.
like they are there with you. It doesn't feel